The old-age people of Hezamara did not get paid their BHATA from the last 2-3 months. On that account, the old-age people organized a roadblock at Khowai-Agartala Road and protest in front of Hezamara CDPO office. Consequently, the roads are getting traffic jam in both directions.
The state government did not keep the promise. The oldest people of Hezamara did not get their BHATA from the last 2-3 months. None of them has got their BHATA in their bank account, which is why they had to return back empty every time after coming and checking in the bank. The CDPO and the supervisor has no response into this matter. On that account, the old-age people organized a roadblock at Khowai-Agartala Road and protest in front of Hezamara CDPO office. Consequently, the roads are getting traffic jam in both directions. Sidai police arrived at scene immediately after they got the information of roadblock. Likewise, the CDPO supervisor also went to the scene for having conversation with the protesters.
Jaga jot to porong no agi ro mani tong mani bata man tong mani mase pat ko re yagi mani tong mani da phai ko mai ya tin sai mas pas mas rong to me kha kaisa thang go thayo mai ya rong ang ta ngai baro birok ta ya di ba agi mas mani tong se kaisa am bai sai tong da ko mas mali ya sa
Kai norok tini engko sabuno phungna baga oba ke lama kaso lagya
ko oro de koto tong nai chingpor no majano kata kai borok nongni kongno gosiang kai tini norok lama kaso mani mothagla adekan tongmani hada oro na tang asung tongmani ta
asung tongmani na kai
borok ko ajini kahai chingwa de chingmo de tong kai chingbo sa jang le
kai engko norok ba sabo khai malai phone ke bo kong gi jang de dong
amalang bu sai me ya
na kan norok tabuk nongni mase bata nanguna
nangu tu pura ambai sai tong le yo kaisa amda ko borok se busung ka sai pas masung bai kamai ya hango orok khayo ayang ko ya sarai nyai ko Hezamara wa ada ro na yung maya mangta
kan norok masuk ke sekitar bata mani
tu ya sa
keman na
tu ya sa man sai ko order borok kaisa pano a ta saban semayang tong ta ko to.
In the end, the roadblock was removed after they got the assurance from the CDPO supervisor to provide their right and BHATA pension within 12 August. Hezamara CDPO supervisor said the 2 to 3 months pension of the old age will be given at once. Later, the transportation started again smoothly. Reported by Onimesh from Hezamara, Chini Khorang.